The World Without Us, by Alan Weisman, is a thought-provoking exploration of a fascinating question: what would happen to the Earth if humans suddenly disappeared? Weisman combines expert knowledge from fields such as engineering, botany, archaeology, and geology to create a comprehensive picture of a planet reclaiming itself from human influence. The book begins by examining the immediate aftermath of humanity's disappearance, detailing how cities would deteriorate, buildings crumble, and subways flood due to the lack of maintenance. Weisman explains that without human intervention, nature would swiftly begin to encroach upon our urban landscapes. Streets and buildings would become forests as flora rapidly overtakes the remnants of civilization. Weisman delves into the longer-term ecological impacts, illustrating how wildlife would proliferate and diversify in the absence of humans. Species once on the brink of extinction could recover, and ecosystems disrupted by human activity could gradually return to their natural states. The narrative vividly describes the rewilding of landscapes, from urban centers to agricultural lands. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to the fate of human creations. Weisman contemplates the longevity of our structures, art, and monuments, pondering which materials and constructions would endure the longest. He discusses the persistence of plastics and nuclear waste, highlighting the enduring environmental impacts of these materials. Throughout, The World Without Us is not merely speculative fiction, it is a meticulously researched examination that serves as a commentary on environmental sustainability and the human impact on the planet. Weisman uses the scenario of a human-free Earth as a lens through which to view our ecological footprint and to urge consideration of how we can live in harmony with the planet. The book is a compelling blend of science, environmental philosophy, and imaginative inquiry. It challenges readers to reflect on the legacy of humanity and the importance of our stewardship of the Earth. By presenting a world without us, Weisman invites us to think deeply about the world with us and how we might shape it for the better. In essence, The World Without Us provides a unique perspective on our planet's resilience and beauty, as well as a sobering look at the impact of human activity. It is a powerful reminder of the delicate balance between human civilization and the natural world, offering insightful reflections on how we might reduce our footprint and ensure a sustainable future for all Earth's inhabitants.
Thank you for watching our journey through The World Without Us. If you found this exploration enlightening, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Interested in diving deeper into the book? Check out the link in the description to grab your copy. Your support inspires us to keep sharing knowledge.